I think for any scenes that portray, let's call it what it is, no? Rape or being taken advantage of, it's very difficult to, I guess, swallow the fact that it does happen. It's a reality for many women. And hindi lang, I mean, ito, nakikita natin sa setting din, nasa probinsya, no? So, meron din ganung, I guess, touch on that, na there are still moments in today's society, today's time, where people or women or anyone that is taken advantage of have a hard time speaking up, being vocal about it, looking for help. And so I guess here, the portrayal for Lilia was really in that exact scene where Matias touches her and sees what happened. Kasi she never said it. Nakita ni Matias what happened to her through her memory. Isn't that what we all want? Someone to be able to read what we feel, to know what we feel, to save us when we need the saving. It's very satisfactory to see that in this film, there is a Matias that can do that for you. Kaya kahit na violent yung, I guess, pagligtas ni Matias, masaya siya. Kasi for once, throughout her journey as Lilia, merong pumansin sa kanya, merong nagligtas sa kanya, merong umintindi sa kanya. And that's always gratifying.